Welcome back to Frederica Nation, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the ring bell so you never miss a upload. Frederica Nation, overtime. It's overtime, long overtime overdue for this type of video, which is a makeup tutorial. And I got to get back to it because I've been having a lot of requests about it. So this video is makeup tutorial, and what we're going to do today is a cut crease look for eyeshadows. So as you can tell and see, I've already did everything else and beat my face in the other areas as far as lipstick, foundation, concealing my eyebrows, and did a little contouring if you can see. But I did that off camera because this video I want to really focus on cut crease and eyeshadow look today. And the palettes that I'm going to be using is two different palettes by BH Cosmetics. One will be Modern palette in Smoky Eye by BH Cosmetics. Now, I'm not going to go too loud with this type of a look, but we're going to do some things today. So before I get started, I'm going to use the Modern Matte 28 color eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. And the color that I'm going to be using out of this is going to be pretty much for the base. And I'm going to use, I'm going to use my brush from the Naked 2 Urban Decay palette. I'm going to just use the brush out of that palette because my other brushes are too far away from me. So we're going to just go from here. And the color that I'm going to be using today for this cut crease is going to be, if you all can see it, sorry. But I'm going to use this color here. It's like a cream, beigey looking color. Not this white, but this one here. And you want to take your brush and you want to start off. Okay, I don't know where my eyeshadow base is. By MAC is somewhere around here and I don't have it with me. So when I do a part 2, I have it. But first what you're going to do is dab it a little bit and always tap it with your finger. Okay, start from the teardrop right here. This is your teardrop. And you go, there should be a little crease right here, and you want to stay in that crease. You don't want to go over that crease. You want to stay in that crease. Okay. And you want to pat, the rest of your eye, the lid. But you want to stay right there. It's always a crease. It's always that crease. Now, make sure you're filling in real good, because this is a cut crease look. I don't know if you all could see it. But we're putting color on today, baby. So maybe you can see it better on this one because it's maybe too much light. And the light is, yeah, you can see it better on this side. From the window, actually. And I got my light on too, but most of it from this side is coming from the window. That's natural light. But you see how you're going to stay in that crease. This is called a cut crease look. But you're going to stay in that crease, okay? It's real simple. Once you know what you're doing and doing what you do, it's nothing. And you want to make sure it's in there and blend it. Ladies, always blend, please. Always blend. Always blend. Okay. Now, that is on there. And as you see, the crease from the teardrop on out on both of them. Now, I'm going to take the smoky look. And my smoky look that I'm going to be using is this here. Ain't that a pretty color? And it matches what I have on also. That's pretty. And so you're going to take the other end of the Naked 2 brush. And just a little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. And you just dab the corners of it. Just dab it. Okay, because you don't want the whole lid. You want that smoky look. And then you go up in the crease. Up in the crease. But as you're doing it, small circles. Okay. Small circles. Because you want that to be blended. So that's the reason why you want to do small circles. But stay in the crease, y'all. Ooh, that's so pretty. And you do the same on the other side. Just dab it and then stay in that crease. You see? Crease. Crease. And stay on the end, of course, in small circles. Hit the top of the lid, but you blend as possible. A little goes a long way. So, yeah. You may want to bring it over just a little. Just a little. Not too much. And it gives you that smoky look. You see how that look is? And that's what you're going to be going for. That's what you're going for. Okay? And it's that simple, y'all. Look at that. Ain't that really simple? So this is the basic part of it. This is a basic part of cut crease eyeshadow look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Drop down in the comment section below your thoughts and suggestions or whatever. You know, let's talk. Girl talk. And, you know, and if you're at home or not doing anything or whatever, just practice. You know, practice goes a long way. Like, I always wanted to get that cut crease look. But look at it. Look at me now. I done came a long way with this, y'all. And it's not so loud. It's not so out there. It's just right. Thank y'all so much. Subscribe. Hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. Till then, I'll see y'all some other time. Probably tomorrow. I don't know. But I love y'all.